hide your key, hide your wallet, and don't click on shit, because they're hacking everybody up in here.
What's going on, guys? JP here, the smartest, not exactly influencer in the crypto business. So there's a token that I believe is going to explode at the same time as Astro Swap, which blows my mind that nobody's talking about it. We'll get to that throughout this video, so stick around. We'll try to reveal all this. Maybe some of you smart people could comment and clarify if I'm right. I think I'm right. I don't know. I'm not always right. Sometimes I'm right. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm right. It's kind of so obvious. Like, how is nobody talking about this? Probably because they're stacking up right now and they're going to make so much money. Like, once you look at it, you're like, holy shit. So let's get right to it. We're going to work our way over to this crypto, this maybe gem that nobody's fucking talking about. All right, so check this out right here. This guy, Roca 1995 Lucas. You ever notice that there's a lot of fucking Lucases in this fucking crypto business? There's always some guy talking about scam coins called Lucas and shit like that. I run across that name. It's always on fucking Twitter and shit like that. Lucas is, it's weird. It's just strange to me. Anyways, I digress. All right, so this dude says Sushi Swap has a capitalization of 880 million. Cake 2.8 billion, and Astro Swap only 44 million capitalization. We will do at least 10x soon. Bro, I fucking hope so. 10x would be fucking nice. So based on numbers like that, I can see where he's coming from, where he thinks that if we follow suit with these guys, which I hope we do, and I think we have the capability of doing, we'll have some tremendous gains. So that's pretty cool. When you scroll through the live chat section in CoinMarketCap, you're going to notice that most of the comments are on green, which is bullish. As I'm scrolling through, there's a particular one that actually catches my attention. It's this one right here. It says, MrECrypto on YouTube has been the biggest critic. Now he's bullish believing. Dude has been right the whole time. This is obviously one of my viewers, so shout out to this dude right here. Pump N. Fucking what's up, Pump N? Fucking shout out to you for saying that I've been right the whole time. Cool beans. So the comment right under it, I had to translate it because I didn't know what the fuck this language is. I don't know what language it is. But anyways, it fucking says, is wrong, probably referring to me. Cardano will be number one. Well, this just solidifies how many dipshits are in the crypto market. Dude, Cardano isn't a DEX. So, yeah. There's that. I think you wanted to say Astro Swap will be number one. Astro Swap will be number one. I don't know what the fuck this guy's thinking. He sounds like a fucking idiot. I don't know what you're saying. I'm wrong, saying I'm wrong. Okay, fucking I told you guys the whole fucking time. I hope I am wrong about Astro Swap and I get fucking rich over it. If I'm wrong, I'm right, so it doesn't fucking matter. But Cardano is going to be nobody said they're not going to be fucking number one. The fuck is this guy fucking talking about? Jesus, fuck. Oh yeah, there's another one right here. Looks like it's the same dude. It says, check MrECrypto on YouTube. Oh man, thanks for the plug, dude. He's been straightforward the entire time. Super doubtful. Changed his tune now? Maybe changed his tune now? I did change my tune a little bit, but like I said, if it was the bullshitty bullshit that these motherfucking runaround motherfuckers were giving in the beginning, if they were straightforward with everybody in the first place, I'd have been pumping it the whole fucking time. So as I'm looking at this shit, I'm scrolling around just looking at the fucking numbers, saying, all right, where could it go? Market cap is here, total supply is here, and I see the fucking compare button. Self? Push the fucking button. Let's fucking compare it to the Wagyu? 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 Who the fuck cares? Who the fuck names it that shit? Wagyu. Anyways, I'm digressing. So I compare it to Wagyu. Look at this fucking chart, dude. Check this fucking chart out. It is fucking spot on. Spot the fuck on. Even their release date. Astro Swap jacked during their release date. Nobody's fucking talking about Wagyu Swap right now. Bro, Wagyu Swap is probably going to pump the fuck through the roof and nobody's fucking talking about it. Isn't it cheaper to sell on Wagyu Swap? I'm pretty sure the slippage is less on Wagyu Swap, right? So people like me that are just here for the fucking profits, I mean, I'm going to come back and stake after if it's not a piece of shit when it launches. But I'm here for the fucking profits at this point. So fucking when the fucking shit's through the roof, I'm not going to fucking lie. I'm going to start fucking dumping my fucking shit and making up all the fucking losses that I've made already off of this shit. So I'm going to recoup some of my fucking losses by selling. And I'm going to be selling on Wagyu Swap, which is going to draw a lot of fucking traffic to Wagyu Swap. In my opinion, the shit's probably going to jack through the fucking roof and nobody's fucking talking about it right now. Wagyu Swap's fucking big. Trust me, Wagyu Swap is going to fucking jack. Look at this fucking chart, bro. Look at it again. It's the same fucking pattern. Look at this shit. It's fucking nuts. Nobody's talking about it. I am the smartest, not exactly influencer in the crypto fucking market. Self-proclaimed, but I probably fucking am. And I'm always coming up with these things, like I told you fucks months ago, to unstake before fucking the launch so you could take your fucking profits. I don't know how many of you actually fucking listened to me about that, but it was a fucking good advice. So I hope you did. You idiots that fucking didn't are a bunch of fucking numbskulls. And also, look at the fucking max supply of fucking Wagyu Swap versus the max supply of Astro Swap. Look at the fucking market cap of each of them. Which one seems like it's got the potential to fucking be worth a lot more money? Yeah. I mean, I'm not the fucking smartest person in the world, but it is what the fuck it is. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. You fuckers always do. And I don't mind it. When I'm fucking wrong, I need to be fucking corrected so I can learn. Don't ever be fucking embarrassed to ask fucking questions. Do I not know what the fuck I'm talking about? Please, somebody fucking answer the question to me. But the secret fucking crypto that I was talking about in the beginning of this video is probably fucking Wagyu Swap. I'm buying some. I'll tell you that right now. I won't play the whole fucking, I'm not a fucking financial advisor. I don't give a fuck. Buy it. What are you going to sue me? I don't know. I'm a fucking idiot. If you take my advice, you're a fucking idiot. Buy that shit, pussies. Don't be fucking afraid. Anyways, you guys know how I typically end these videos, and I really don't care. I'm never going to fucking beg you guys for any of that shit. If you want to fucking subscribe, hit me up. If you like this video, just click on that guy here or here. I don't know where the fuck it, one of these things. Click on that shit right there. And fuck it, I'm out, bitches. This video was sponsored by Hector Dog. Hi, Hector. You big, fat, smelly coonhound. Thanks for farting the whole time I was filming this.